She's happy. It's a beautiful day, the sun is out, probably the first beautiful morning, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. And it just happens to be that way because today I am off to the airport. My friend, thank you. Bye-bye. What a great guy. Okay, finally made it through security. Very interesting, the security here. It's like all automated. Really crazy. It's not like someone checking. There's like everything is just separated. Very, very efficient. And now I have about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Did I say good morning to you guys? I can't remember. I'm really tired. But now I have about an hour, 2 hours, hour and 20 minutes until yeah, and I guess I should say this before going and moving on and totally forgetting. Tallinn is a very nice city. Definitely a place that, like most, maybe you guys watching this don't even know where Estonia is or where Tallinn was. That's how kind of I was like 4 or 5 months ago. It's definitely a place worth coming to check out. It's not too expensive. The people are very nice. Most people speak English here. So I must say I've enjoyed my time here. And like always, I've met kind of the most amazing people like the day before I was leaving. So I can imagine if I had to stay more time, I could. So yeah, on that note, Tallinn, Estonia, thank you guys so much. And it's on to the next place in 1 hour and 16 minutes. Traveling for like an hour and a half. I think we landed in 10 minutes. This is how it is for me in the bathroom all the time. Too big for everything. Just can't wait to land. Okay, little update. Also, flight attendant was from Katowice in Poland. So I'm not in Poland. Welcome to back here in Ukraine. Okay, so finally through passport control, all that. I must say it's a totally different. Man, Klitschko is everywhere. Totally different feeling coming here for the second time. First time not knowing anything, anyone, nothing at all, how to get to the hotel, how to get to the center. Now it's not, I'm not a pro, but I know a lot more than I did before and a lot more comfortable. And by the way, I do love this country and I'm so excited to get back. Now I just gotta book Uber then to the see you, checked in the hostel, everything is all good, and I'm not complaining. It's just the time it took me to go check in, put my bags in my room, just started raining, but not complaining. Happy to be here in Ukraine. I just hope the rain doesn't affect where I'm heading right now, because I'm heading to go meet someone you guys might remember from the last time here. If she's there. I don't know when it rains. I don't know if she's still gonna be there, but I'm hoping she is. I must say it's such a different feeling coming back to a city after you've already been there before, something you were so scared of. Like now, I remember coming here and not knowing anything about anything, where to go to eat, where to walk around, where to go for a coffee, where to go to a cafe. Now this being the second time around, it's almost like I feel the confidence level being up, where it's like, I know where I'm going, I know what I'm doing now. Even though I don't, I still feel like I do, you know? And I think that makes a big difference, you know? If you don't have the confidence, I guess it's faking it, but even coming here, it's hard to fake when you're walking around, no idea where to go, don't know the language, don't know the food, don't know the people, can't read the signs. Like, look at this sign here. But after you've been there, you know what to do. It's a totally, for me at least, it's a totally different feeling being here again now. Ah, it's actually like a different person working this time, I think. Da, bubblegum. Спасибо. Bye-bye. Wasn't the same person. Not the person I was looking for. It was one of the people from the last time, but different one. If you guys remember the old lady, she was so nice. I'm so happy to be back. But now I'm actually starving. I just was coming there to say hi to them and get some ice cream, but now to the in the undergrounds of Ukraine. There's no underground places like this. So I'm trying to cross the street, but keep going down. There's shops. It's actually pretty cool. Like I told you guys, you could literally spend all afternoon shopping underground. Okay, but I can't spend too much time there because I'm on a mission, and the place that I have to go is about a 10-15 minute walk. And just notice kind of in the background as I'm walking how many little small coffee shops on the go there are. Either coffee shops on the go or ice cream on the go. They're literally everywhere. Well, not that one. Heading to one of my favorite restaurants. I have no idea how to say the name. Okay, so I know about what half this stuff is, but it's like my first meal here in Ukraine, in Kyiv, this time, and the first meal of the day. So yeah, I had to go a little bit overkill on this. Whew, that food was perfect. A little too perfect, but the sun is back out for now. If you guys don't know, this is Independence Square, I think. Trying to give you all a tour, but I don't even know myself. But I'm kind of just chilling. I have to actually meet some people a little bit later. But until then, maybe just walk around and just enjoy being back here in Kyiv. So I've been kind of walking around, seeing the places that I'm used to. When I go back to a place, I like to go back to places that are familiar to me. So just to familiarize myself with where I'm at real quick, and then get on exploring. But I don't know, maybe not today, maybe finish it tomorrow. Right now heading to this place. I went to like the sky bar they have on top the last time, and it was really nice. And I'm actually really tired, and I have to meet people around here later. So we're gonna charge up the legs here, relaxing. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Back here in Ukraine, as you guys see, beautiful day. Hope it will be beautiful weather the rest of the time. But thank you guys so much, and thank you guys so much again for watching and your comments. I was able to respond to a lot of comments. I've been getting a lot of emails lately, trying to get back to those as well. I'm gonna have some downtime coming up soon where I'll be able to respond to so many more of you guys. But in the meantime, guys, everyone have a great day. Talk to you guys all tomorrow, and everyone always remember to work hard and be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.